All right, this is take 2. We just did an intro, and I greased it, and it was sick, and the microphone wasn't even on. So we are back here on the Aiden Horn RC YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in for another informational video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get your plastic ring and pinion gears and your carbon gearbox to spin nice and free. A lot of you guys text me with the same problem. Dornis, I just got my B74.2DCE kit with a plastic ring and pinion, and I put this thing in here, and I go to put it all together, and it just doesn't spin at all. It's so bound up. You know why? You got to do some clearancing in the gearbox, and I'm going to show you how to do that and how to do it right and good and make it last and get that fuel mileage that we all know and love and not be driving around with 20% extra added drag brake. The rear gearbox, a lot better, a lot better. But you slow it down, it's still got that little bit of ugga chugga clunka, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need is a Dremel, a bit like this, maybe a knife, and a brush to get the debris off. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to jump right into it. And if this microphone is not working right now, I'm gonna flip the whole house upside down. All right, so here we are, square one. It's together and is pretty bound up. It's not really spinning. We're gonna hollow this bad boy out. So first thing you want to do, pull this John off, and we're gonna do one piece at a time. Basically, the problem is this gear hits up against this wall right here. So basically, we have to take your Dremel and just shave off like 1 millimeter off the whole inside here to give it room to spin free. So allow me to dive right in. It's like a coloring book in elementary school. You just gotta really stay in the lines, And this also helps you go lightweight for all you stock guys shaving off this material. So I start with this bit because it really just tears into it and gets the majority of it pretty fast. Get the main parts, really get in there, really just get it in there. All right, and once you've kind of gotten the majority of the surface, you get this bad boy to really get into the corners, because you need to get them corners nice and cleared out as well. So just jam it on down in there and in there. Nice and good. Nice and deep light. All right. Now that you have them both kind of looking like that, you can brush it off and see if it works. We might need to go back in there a couple times. You're probably not going to get it perfect on the first try unless you're just the man, which, if you do, more power to you. I can get my knife and just shave the garbage off there so my bearing's not getting all jammed up. You know, round it off real nice. And get all this junk out of here too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, all that junk out of there. Now let's see what we're working with. I mean, are you kidding me right now? Not bad. Once we put the screws on, it might tighten up a little bit, but I mean, I hear a little bit of clicking. I don't exactly know where that's coming from, but you get the idea. Not bad. Not bad. You know, and it only took me, I mean, it couldn't have been more than a couple minutes, right? I don't keep track of time very well, but let's get a nice view here. You just want to just hollow it out real quick, like such. And then we will not be experiencing the issue anymore. Make sure you clean up all the garbage that may have been left in that gearbox. All the shavings. And then you do the same thing to the rear box. All right, once you've done that, it should look something like this. Same as the front gearbox, you just clearance the wall for this bad Jackson to be able to breathe a little bit. So you just kind of get it to looking like that, you know. Let's get a quick zoom on it. And it should be able to just drop right in now and spin nice and free. Let's see. All right. Perfect. Would you just look at it? I mean, now that is what I call fuel mileage right there. We're going to be getting 15 minutes to the tank, if I've ever seen it. And just like that, your front rear gearbox, your rear gearbox, nice and free. It's like you're gliding, brand new. And that was really only about 5 minutes worth of work. Have you gliding on fresh bearings, dialed in, nice and free, just how we like it, most efficient. And yeah, I think that's going to help you guys get those drive lines nice and free on the four-wheel drive. I know this is kind of a common issue, but it really only takes a couple minutes of applying yourself to figure it out. And I hope you guys found this video useful. Get your gearboxes dialed in and get back out on the track and reset that track record. Thank you for watching the video. We'll be back next month sometime with another freshie LFG.